Kikhubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Request में security kurba.
Ka Directorate of Dairy Development haka Henrio Tariku Nailor Arajar Arfulai kala Aiti yaki kali kit dut bat ki kali le tes lengbaga National Program for Dairy Development lani ka NPDD shaki khat pratali ki Dairy Cooperative Societies Jonga Jilla haka jingelang kabalalong ha Central Dairy Campus Mauyong Shillong haka bala sakhilang daw Menteri Ketenat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary uba ALHEC. Hagani kasngi Menteri ula Aiti ru yaki shabi kali shaki Dairy Cooperative Society bat kawe lamaru kum kajing pelaj ba yakini ki kali rengkat kajing sakhilang jongki officer Ketenat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary.
The Monjunat had said very rightly, very categorically had said about how we can produce the meal, make the meal productions in the state of Meghalaya. He said that only 2 cows, it can earn the money of 25,000 per month. Only 2 yielding cows. Just imagine 2 yielding cows. If we have 4 cows, 4 yielding cows will have 50,000 per month. If you have 8 cows, we'll be earning 1 lakh rupees per month. It's a very easy to rear 8 cows or 10 cows, 12 cows, 50 cows if we all are taking the initiative. But this initiative, it cannot be ends only with the government. I told when we went touring to the Garo Hills district, I've been touring into all the farms of the government. I went to the poultry farm, I went to the goatry farm, the cattle farm and all the farms. But there are very less productions. There's no production at all when we talk about the investment that the government had invested in our farms. That's why I am encouraging and telling our government, we, all of us, we need to put our effort and our hard work, definitely, but the needs of the hour is, we have to involve the people. We need the PPP model, public partnership business. We can do it together with the people. We want to be self-sufficient state, not only government. If you depend on the government, not even we can increase, we are going to be decreased in our productions. If we are really sincere to our responsibility, we are really sincere to our duty, we should involve the people to take up this kind of business. Let them take it. Let me be partnering with the government, government partnering. Let's do it together. That only we can produce, we can get more, we can increase the productions of milk, we can production of any products which is initiated by the government. If you put 4 cows, 50,000 rupees we can earn in a month. Just imagine if we have 10 cows, how many rupees that we can earn in a month. But we need only to put our efforts, we need only to our hard work, then only can peace. Without hard work, it cannot be peace. So that's why the hard work is very important to grow to any business that we are doing. This vehicle and hand over, also already hand over to the Cooperative Society, and I flag out for the inauguration.